this Belgravia Villa, the homeowners want a space that feels warm, welcoming, and comfortable for both daily living and entertaining guests. As you step into the living area, you will notice the soft curved cove light that flows seamlessly across the ceiling. Instead of using conventional straight lines, we introduce curves to soften the space and create a more relaxing atmosphere. One of the key highlights of this home is the feature wall between living and dining areas. Although it resembles natural stone, it is actually specially crafted using textured foam board, allowing us to achieve this sculptural form while keeping the design lightweight and elegant. Since the homeowner frequently hosts family and friends, we designed this feature as a visual focal point that naturally draws attention and creates a memorable first impression. Moving into the private space, you will notice a consistent use of warm tone and textured finishes throughout the home. The dressing area features a full-height mirror integrated with a hidden storage behind, allowing us to maximize functionality while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. In the children's room, we designed a custom platform bed with integrated storage beneath. The curved edge not only enhances the visual softness of the room but also provides a safer environment for young children. Throughout the entire home, our goal was not to create a space that feels overly extravagant, but one that feels timeless, comfortable, and thoughtfully designed around the homeowner's lifestyle. A home designed for living, gathering, and creating memories.